Ryan Trahan had spent 100 days in the metaverse, and he is living his life officially through there. Technically, it took 3-ish days from what I calculated that he actually had the headset on completely. Now, I've spent hours in the metaverse myself, and it is tough to hold this on. You have to buy an extra headset. You should buy the clamp that you can screw on and off, and it's extra pieces like that that make it comfortable. He just has an out-of-the-box regular strap plugged straight into his computer.
My headset can't die because I'm hardwired to my computer, which means I'm trapped, baby. Yay.
That's a little bit tougher because you have a cord that's plugged into the side for power, and it's something that you can trip over. When you go outside of the metaverse and look at your real surroundings, it's hard on your eyes. It's a little bit blurry of a real life version. Everything's black and white. You can see figures, you can see people, you can even see details and sometimes numbers and data on your phone, but it's not so amazing because it starts to give you a headache. Me being in the insurance industry, it's hard not to ask, would an insurance company cover this if you purposely spent multiple days in the metaverse? I'm gonna go on a limb and just say absolutely not. If you injure yourself, you trip, you fall, or whatever the case is, and you're honest with the insurance company, you've excluded the sudden and incidental clause. You have to have something happen by accident. You choosing to go into the metaverse might be a way of living, but I believe if you're in the metaverse, you're removing all of the guidelines that say don't go for X amount of hours, don't do this, here's a warning. There was even in this Trahan video that it said to take the headset off because he was trying to eat food and it realized that he had had it on too long.
I was about to eat a slice when I saw this. Remove headset. Nice try.
Where's the restriction on the metaverse, and how is insurance going to relate to this if this becomes the new norm? Now, I will tell you, I will probably be one of the first people to join the metaverse when it comes to business and insurance. I'm very intrigued to see what happens there because I got a feeling that there's going to be some coverage for people that buy skins and buy items and they're stolen or lost or keys are lost, things like that, to where there can be a possibility to insure those products in the metaverse. The metaverse is going to be a huge all-around world where you can access everything. And why not insure your property? You wake up one morning, your account got hacked, boom, you got insurance for that. If you have a home that's a $3 million home, which is in real life happening, what happens when you lose the key to that? Is there a risk factor? Can we back that up onto a server for an insurance company that can protect it, that can get you that item back? We can do the dance like they did with Clay in the video, but it's kind of crazy to see that this is a popular trend. Even though Facebook is losing money over money, and they might need insurance for the loss of investment, but it is still becoming a thing. There's multiple metaverses. How do we connect them all? How do you have companies that can secure your items, that can possibly insure them? And who's gonna be the one to do that? What's the risk factor? We're in a whole new market. You see all of these telematics that track driving. You see all of these devices that track the water flow in your house. But nobody has tracked the risk of losing an item in the metaverse. What is the metaverse restrictions, and is there a medical piece that you can endorse onto your policy that would cover you in the metaverse? For now, I'm saying no. In general, you could get injured just going to the metaverse in normal life, and that typically would be covered for injury, medical, if you damage something by losing the controller, if the wrist strap broke. But if you ignore the warnings, the guidelines, and the security features, what is the possibility of that claim getting denied? Let me know what your thoughts are. Put them in the comments below. Otherwise, when that new video comes out, I will link it here. In the meantime, check out the best deal and best way to get car insurance online if you're looking for the best rate. It's going to help you get that in a matter of a couple minutes. Might as well save a few $100s so you can buy the metaverse. I'm Mark with Think Insurance. I'll see you in the next one.